Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something exciting, the unboxing and initial review of the Amazon Basics Gimbal for smartphones. Let's dive right in. Here is how the box looks like if you order it from Amazon. Ignore the price tag on the box, it's not what you think. Check the link in the description below for the latest pricing and offers. Now let's break that seal and see what's inside. Gimbals are fantastic for stabilizing your videos, especially if you're on the move. While smartphones do a decent job with software stabilization, hardware like this can really take it up a notch. Inside the box, we find some paperwork, your instruction manual, and a quick start guide. Trust me, it's worth a glance if you are new to gimbals. There is also a Type C to Type A cable for charging, plus a handy hanging string and a plastic tripod with grippy legs for stable shots on any surface. Now onto the gimbal itself. It's light in weight yet sturdy, which is impressive for the price point. And yes, even gimbals upwards of 20,000 rupees often use plastic. On the front, you have got a few physical controls: power, mode change, and a joystick. Over on the right, a slider for zooming, and on the left, a Type C slot for charging the gimbal. Flip it around and there is a trigger button. What is neat is the Type A slot on the top. You can charge your phone while using the gimbal, which is super handy. Let's talk about the phone holder. It's plastic, easy to use, similar to a selfie stick. Personally, I prefer the attachable or detachable holders in DJI gimbals for flexibility. And if you need to switch your phone's orientation, just loosen the screw on the back of the holder. Simple as that. So that's the unboxing and overview. Stay tuned for my full review and detailed tutorial on using this gimbal. If you're catching this video later, links in the description will lead you to those updates. Initial impressions for 6,000 rupees, it's pretty solid. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more reviews and tips. Your support means everything and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.